Now we're recording. Everyone say hey.
What's Sam?
It's not the same. Alright. So, let's look at number 11.
Do you save these like your whole time of teaching?
Well, I didn't start doing this until this year.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
You can look back on it and be like, it's 2021 and be like, oh yeah, I remember her. Just curious.
Okay. Now let's look real
I don't
quick.
think I'm that special.
You are. Don't say that about yourself. You are special. Okay. Listen. Let's do these problems. They're a little extra. Okay. So, from B to C is x plus 23. And from B to D is x plus 24. So, how long is the length of CD?
There's like no room to work on here. I'm not gonna lie to you.
There's not. But that's what the boards come in for.
You can work on the boards. But you don't have to really do any work.
Oh.
Think about it. This is x plus 23. This is x plus 24. So it's not x plus 1, it's just 1, right? Because to get to 23, to get from 23 to 24, what do you add? 1. So that is 1.
Oh no.
That took a lot of math, actually.
All right. So, we want to still find x. So let's see. What do we know?
What are you trying to get for?
We got to find x. All right. Let's see. Ooh. All right. Do I know what's the whole length of A all the way to D?
Isn't it 20 plus 23 plus 22?
It's 32.
So, x plus 32, right, is from A to D. Okay? And I think I heard someone else say it. The other one. Yeah. Right. The whole thing is also 21. Because if I look from A to C, it's 20, right? Then from C to D, it's 1.
Wait, don't that leave you with 2x?
No, we're just looking. So don't look at this. This was to help you get the 1. Okay? So right now, I have the whole length is 21. And I know the whole length is also x plus 32. So how could I set this up to find x?
Got you.
Perfect. X plus 32 equals 21. Nice job. So this looks really crazy, but this one's more of like instead of really hard math, it's just more like a logic puzzle. Okay? So x plus 32 equals 21. Subtract 32 from both sides. X equals negative 11. So there wasn't a lot of room to work that one out, but
That's it?
yep,
Any of them?
that's it.
So what are we trying to find?
What was
X.
the question?
What is X?
Yeah, this is weird.
Okay, hold on. There's a lot of questions. What did you say? Okay.
It's going to be on the test?
This is kind of like a really intense one, but okay. So segment addition, right? I know that the segment AB, okay, plus the segment of BC, plus the segment of CD. If I add those 3 segments together, what do I get? Right, but I want the geometric AD, right? AB if I add AB and BC and CD together, I get the segment AD.
I don't know how you got that, but okay.
So if I segment AB, here it is. You see it? AB. Here's BC. Here's CD. When I put all of those segments on and connect them, I get the whole length of AD. So if I had, let's look at This one. Let's look at number 2. Okay? So, let's ignore this for a second. So, if I add AB to BC, what am I going to get? Right. AB. I just went to the top. Number 2. Okay, if I add AB and I add it to the segment of BC, I get the whole segment AC. Have we watched all of our videos that we're supposed to watch?
It teaches it good on Delta Math and the examples. Too.
No, please don't say that. I don't want any more of
That's
that.
a mess doing it.
In the examples, it teaches it good.
No,
I'll just watch
Yeah.
YouTube. Look.
Those are all good resources. YouTube, the videos I give, and looking at the examples on Delta Math, those are all good resources. Yeah.
So after this, how do we do number 8?
Oh, I'll show you in a second. All right. So the best way to do this, okay? The best way to do this is when you get a problem like this, I would always start out with writing this first, because then you can set it from there. Okay, so it says AB. Okay, what is AB? X. AB is X. All right? Plus BC. What is BC? 12. Equals AC. What is AC? 14. Now, can you solve that? Yeah, so minus 12 from both sides, X equals 2.
So out of this, you just make an equation and solve it.
Yeah. All right, let's look at number 4. I want you to write the geometric statement first. So this is a geometric statement.
Maybe on number
4. 4. So write the geometric statement first. All right, what we get?
I thought it was AB plus BC equals AC.
That's what I said.
That's fine.
You doing this the smart way, gonna confuse me.
Okay.
You did really fast. Like,
AB, yeah, so AB plus BC gives me the segment of AD. I'm sorry, there's no D on that. AC. Okay, AB is 12. B to C is 3x plus 1. A to C is 9x plus 1. Okay. All right, let's look at number, someone said something about number 8. What's happening when number 8? What do I do?
You have to, instead of just saying like AB, you have to just put the equation down and just solve it.
Equal to X. Right?
Well, what do I know about AB and BC?
They're congruent.
How do you know that?
Because the line.
Right. These tick marks tell me that AB is congruent to BC. What does congruent mean?
They
Equal.
equal.
So, what is AB?
Equal.
What is AB? Like from A to B?
Oh, negative 5p2, whatever.
5p squared plus 3p.
Yeah.
Okay? Now, we're going from geometry to algebra. So instead of the congruent symbol, I need to change it for the equal sign. Perfect. Okay? And then what's BC?
6p2 plus 18.
Negative 6p squared plus 18. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Now, if we have a squared, that means we need to get everything on one side and set it equal to 0. Okay? So I'm going to add the 6p squared to both sides. All right? This cancels, so this becomes just p squared, right? Negative 5 plus 6. Right? So that's p squared All right. Do I have it equal to 0 yet? No. So I get to subtract that 18. And I get p squared plus 3p minus 18.
We really did not get this number.
Please pardon this interruption for a quick bus reminder.
Oh my God.
Today again, bus 88 will cover for bus 126. Bus 88 will cover for bus 126 today. Thank you.
When you write an equation like that, doesn't the highest one have to go first, or does it matter?
It doesn't matter. Good question. All right, so I need two numbers that multiply to negative 18, and those same two numbers need to add to 3
How do you know to do that?
because of the square. So when you see that
Oh,
square.
You told me that like 4 times already. I
It's
couldn't-
okay. One more time.
-3, +6.
Perfect. -3 and +6. All right, so -3 times 6 is it -18? Yes. -3 and +6, is that +3? Yes. Perfect. So then I've got, I really didn't give you room on this one, did I?
Yeah.
So then I've got p minus 3 times p plus 6 equals 0. There is no difference between this step and this step, except for how they look. These are equivalent. P squared plus 3p minus 18 is the same thing as p minus 3 times p plus 6. Those are the same thing. I just broke it into its factors. Okay? Now, set these both equal to 0. And solve. So add 3 to both sides. P equals 3. And p equals -6. Okay? Now you can plug in, I'm thinking that probably -6 will be your answer, but I don't remember. All right, keep this for tomorrow. We're going to practice. You don't have to work on the review tonight. I put it on Edge Elastic. Okay, that's on Canvas. But if you want to get started on it, we will work on it tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to pick a couple more problems out of here. This is not homework. This is not homework. It's just, we're just doing extra stuff. Okay? So homework tonight is just to work on anything you need to work on. So remember, you have to submit all the slides by Tuesday, right? You have to have all your Delta Math done by Tuesday. Except, ooh, wait. There is one thing tomorrow. Let's do tomorrow. Algebra 1 review.
Aren't the slides due tomorrow too?
The slides are due Tuesday still.
No, you didn't.
Mine kind of killing.
I don't know. All right. If you want a piece of candy, class, if you want a piece of candy because y'all did such a great job today, make sure you sanitize your hands first. And then you can only pick one because I don't have much left. All right, make sure you pick up the eraser.
Domino.